right, we're going to look at 5.6, which is a fit aligned to data. Okay? You will write scatter plots and write equations to model the data. Okay? A scatter plot is a graph used to determine whether there is a relationship between paired data. Scatter plots can show trends in data. If y tends to increase, as x increases, the paired data is said to have a positive correlation. If it tends to decrease, as x increases, the pair of data is said to have a negative correlation. If x and y have no apparent relationship, they have no relative correlation. When data shows a positive or negative correlation, you can model the trend in data using a line of fit. Okay, so we're looking at example 1 right here. We're going to describe the correlation of the data in the scatter graph. Okay, so I know, ladies and gentlemen, that these dots aren't all in a straight line, but are most of them following a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or none? Positive. What about the second one? Negative.
So that's the answer?
Yeah?
Really? That's it?
Yes. Well, let's look at example 2. Let's look at example 2. Okay. So you've got a table. The table shows the length in centimeters and swimming speed in centimeters per second of 6 fish. So you've got this great graph, and we're going to go up by 25, so we go 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 1, 25, 150. And the bottoms we're going to go by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. And then we're going to graph these points. Okay, the bottom is the length, top is the speed. So when the length is 37.8, we go 148. So here's 35, so 37.8 is bottom between. And I go up almost all the way to 150. Then when the length is 19.2, so just under 20, it's 47, so just under 50. When the length is 21.3, the speed is 88. When the length is 26.2, the speed is 131. When the length is 26.8, the speed is 98. Okay? So we made a scatter plot of it. Now we're going to describe the correlation. Do you think it's positive, negative, or neither? Do you think it's mostly headed upwards?
Yeah.
So then we call it positive. Okay? We're going to talk about a line of best fit then. We're going to draw a line that goes approximately through or between these points. Okay? So if we kind of make a line that is very close to those points, doesn't have that ugly ending, which would be a nice straight line. Okay? That is what we call a line of best fit. And then we try to figure out what is the slope of that. Well, it kind of goes up 25 over 5. And I know that that is a slope of 5. So we're looking at y equals 5x. And it would go through the y-axis somewhere, I would assume, if we went down 5 over 25, down 5 over 25, around negative 50. So that is approximating a line of best fit. Okay? And everybody's is going to be a little different because some of you are going to be like, you know, Miss Murphy, it would be more in between these points if it was up a little bit further. So that's going to be debatable. So that's it, guys. Wait.